Hey everyone, Kava here, coming at you from Baltimore, Maryland. Continuing the saga today of reviewing Fiji, Vanua, Kava varietals and offerings. I'm really excited to try to review this today. I did actually try some of it the other night. I got a really good peppery waka buzz going, and kind of wanted to tone things down. So I opened up this bag, and this is their Lawena. Now, Lawena. For me, when I think of Lawena, I mean, we all know it's the basal stump. It's the corm of the plant, as opposed to the lateral roots, which are comprised of the waka. But when I think of Lawena and a pure Lawena, I think of a well-ground kava powder that produces like a very creamy, milky kind of kava that's really nice, pretty color, has a lot of nice flavor to it. You can kind of even sip on it if you want. And this one is no different. You can see the powder there, very fine, nice kind of whitish color to it. It's absolutely fantastic stuff. And another thing about Lawena is you can always what I used to do is I used to buy waka and Lawena kavas. I would buy squanch waka and squanch Lawena, and if I wasn't really in the mood to get like that hard waka hit, but I also didn't want to have something as light as just like a regular Lawena, I would mix them. I would make my own mix, my own waka Lawena mix. So having a pure Lawena on you is really good if you want to tone down a more powerful peppery kava. So but it stands alone by itself, and it's just fantastic stuff. It's usually a little bit cheaper too than waka, because waka is the lateral roots and more sought after because of the higher kava lactone levels. Another good thing about Lawena that I have noticed in my many years of drinking kava is that Lawena does not cause as much nausea as waka. So if you get crunked on a bunch of waka, sometimes you're gonna get a little bit nauseous. But with Lawena, I've actually never experienced that. So that's another good thing about Lawena. But with no further ado, I'm gonna make some of this Fiji Vanua Kava Lawena, product of Fiji, and I'm gonna review it for you. Hula. This is the Fiji Vanua Lawena. Beautiful, beautiful, creamy stuff. So damn delicious. Honestly, I could sip that out of a glass for hours and be completely content with my life. All right, I'm gonna drink this whole bowl, and then I'm gonna do some final words on this one, and bula to the hula. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I have consumed that whole bowl of Lawena except for one final shell here, and I was actually sitting at my beanbag playing some video games. And it's only 7 p.m. right now, and I was nodding off. I was falling asleep. So very, very, very anxiety reducing. Had a very long, stressful day. Going through a lot of changes right now in my life, and there are kavas out there that can really mellow you out to the point where you get couch lock and you just want to sleep. This is definitely one of those. Not too strong, but like perfect, like a perfect sedative type kava. So bula to that. Fiji, Vanua. Is that the name of the? Yeah, Fiji, Fiji, Vanua, Kava, Lawena. Good stuff all around. All three of these that I've tried so far have been absolutely stellar. You know, 9 out of 10. Great stuff. All right. Next time I'm gonna do the Vanuatu kava from them, and we'll see where that takes us. But yeah, now I'm very tired. I'm looking forward to getting some shut eye here, but probably not for another hour or so because it's still a little bit early. It's kind of it's awkward to fall asleep too early, you know, because then you wake up at like 1 and you know it's not good. All right, folks, bula to the hula. Catch you next time. Kava Sewer out.